Today we are going to practice some easy English sentences together. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, how are you? My name is Anna. I like to play. This is my cat. Look at the sky. I have a red ball. She is my friend. We are happy. Can you sing? It is a sunny day. The dog is big. I can jump high. He has a blue car. The apple is red. I am 5 years old. Let's read a book. This is a pencil. I love my family. Can you help me? The bird can fly. She likes ice cream. We go to school. My shoes are new. He can run fast. I see a rainbow. It is raining outside. She has a doll. They play soccer. I am learning English. Good night, sweet dreams. Great job, everyone. You have learned so many new sentences today. Keep practicing and you'll get even better at speaking English. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.